Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you Samsung A15 versus Samsung A16. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about display. A15 provided 6.5-inch Super AMOLED 90 Hz display. And in Samsung Galaxy A16, 6.7-inch Super AMOLED 90 Hz display is available. So A16 is better. Now let's look at the chipset. In A15, MediaTek Helio G99 is available, and it is also available on A16, so both are equal. Now let's look at the rear camera. In A15, 50 MP plus 5 MP plus 2 MP rear camera is available, and in A16, 50 MP plus 5 MP plus 2 MP with gyro AIS is available. So Galaxy A16 is better. Now let's look at the front camera. In A15, 13 MP front camera is available, and it is also available on A16, so both are equal. Now let's look at the battery. In A15 5000 mAh 25W fast charging is available, and it is also available on A16, so both are equal. Now let's look at the OS and updates. Android 14 One UI 6.04 years updates is available on A15, and in A16 Android 14 One UI 6.16 year update is available on A16. So A16 is better. Now let's look at the build quality. The build quality of A15 is standard, and the build quality of A16 is IP54, that stands splash resistance. So A16 is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of A15 is more affordable, and the price of A16 is slightly higher. So A15 is better for budget-friendly users. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.